Hi, I'm Bill.sopchak, the product line manager for entertainment at Amphenol in North America. We're here at Infocom 2018 with Rave Pubs, videoing some of our new products that we're going to introduce at the show. The two that I'd like to focus on right now are the Q Series and our new data connectors. The Q Series is available just like all of our other quarter-inch plug series with either satin nickel backshell or a black finish backshell. Of course, we offer both stereo and mono, and on the contact plating you can either get the nickel or the gold plating. The difference about the Q Series is it's a little bit easier to put together than our traditional T Series. You'll probably recall the T Series, our professional grade series, the high end of our line, has a jaws clamp that gives you the best in the industry strain relief, but it's a little bit cumbersome and difficult to close up because of that jaws clamp in the back. We've solved that problem with our new Q Series, making it a little bit skinnier. It's only 11 millimeters in diameter instead of 14 millimeters, so you can nest your jacks a little closer together. And it's got a nice cable clamp in the back that's a chuck-style cable clamp. So it's much easier to put this together and to close this up with your cable in there than the jaws clamp is. It doesn't give you quite the same strain relief, but it's pretty close, and it's a very good price point. This is not available yet in the right angle version, but as you can see, our T Series right angle still melds very nicely with that product if you want to use the Q Series on one end and the T Series on the instrument end of the cable. That's one new product. The other new product I want to talk to you a little bit about is our new AC Series data connectors. We have both an HDMI pass-through for panel mount. It's just HDMI to HDMI. And we also have a USB-C to USB-C pass-through that would go onto a panel so that you can easily get from the front to the back of your panel with either USB or HDMI. Both of these products are available with either a nickel shell or the black shell that you see here. These products will be widely in stock in our distribution channel, and you'll be able to get them probably within the next 30 days. They should be all in stock everywhere. So thanks for your time. You can find out more information about all these products and all of our products at our website, which is www.amphenolaudio.com.